আশা করব আপনারা প্রতিনিয়ত সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিবেন। এবার আমন্ত্রিত অতিথির সাথে গল্প স্বল্প। আমাদের স্টুডিওতে এই মুহূর্তে উপস্থিত আছেন আইবল নেটওয়ার্কস এর ভাইস প্রেসিডেন্ট ম্যাট সিমস। Welcome to our show. It's our pleasure to get you among us.
Thank you.
The 5 days long Basis Soft Expo 2012 was finished yesterday, where your company participated. I would want to know at first, what are the experience of your and you have gathered the Soft Expo?
Well, I was attending Soft Expo only for the last 2 days, but my experience there was a very good one. And I was impressed with the number of companies who were displaying their technology, as well as the people and the representatives of those companies. I got a chance to meet with many of the leaders of some of these companies and found them all to be...
How was the response of Soft Expo's viewers?
Pardon me?
How was the response, Soft Expo's viewers?
I think the response was very good. We had a lot of people around our booth and a lot of interest in it, and the response was very positive to our presence there as well.
How was the participants could demonstrated their possibility in the ICT sector in Bangladesh?
Right, we interviewed several people, probably around 15 potential candidates, and it was a preliminary interview, so a first interview just to get to know them a little bit. We asked them a lot of questions about what they were looking for in a company, and then we asked them many technical questions about some of our technology and other industry technology to see how they answered and what kind of responses they gave.
We know Aibol Bangladesh is a subsidiary company of Aibol Network Limited. So would you tell me about the products and services of Aibol Bangladesh?
Certainly. Aibol builds software that enables voice and video talk over the internet or other IP networks. So if you think of services like Skype or FaceTime, our software provides a very similar type of service. But we don't sell to the end user. We sell to large telecom companies and service providers. So we sell infrastructure software to build large networks that support millions of people.
So what does Aibol software do exactly?
Aibol software does two things. When you're trying to make a phone call or a video call over the internet, there's two big problems that happened. Number one is the call doesn't get through. You know, so you try and make the call and it doesn't connect because something's wrong. So one of our pieces of software called AnyFirewall does a very good job of connecting the call 100% of the time to make sure it gets connected. Second big problem, once your call is connected, sometimes the quality is not very good. So you can't hear the other person or the video is not very good.
Exactly.
And so our other technology called Any Bandwidth technology eliminates some of those problems that you find with mobile networks and low bandwidth connections. So those two things are exactly what our software does. 100% connectivity and guaranteed call quality.
I want to know how many developers does Aibol Bangladesh employ in Dhaka?
We employ 25 developers in Dhaka right now. That number has been growing steadily over the 4 years that we've been here. And we see that going up by probably 10 to 15 in the short term.
What does Aibol Bangladesh find its talented staff?
Sorry, repeat the question.
How does Aibol Bangladesh find its staff? Talented staff.
Right. Where do we find them? They often find us, which is good. You know, they hear about us and they come to us and give us their CVs and request an interview. We do a lot of work with the universities in Dhaka as well, and go to many of their shows and their festivals and meet some of the freshers coming out of school. So that's a big source of some of our talent that we get.
To achieve the target of Digital Bangladesh next 5 years, how will Aibol Bangladesh contribute?
Right, it's a good question. Digital Bangladesh is obviously a very big initiative, and it has many goals that need to be met over the next few years. Aibol Networks has technology which we think could support some of those goals. But the other thing that I think is a big factor is the skills that developers are gaining building the world-class software that they're doing for us. So I think that those skills eventually will go out into the market again and contribute to iBall Bangladesh and the betterment of Bangladesh and Dhaka from a technological standpoint.
What kind of possibilities, division, talent do you see among the Bangladeshi software developers?
Well, one thing we find is that they're very, very devoted and hardworking. Amazingly smart. I was listening to our developers over the weekend at the Basis Soft Expo and listening to them interviewing some of the candidates, and these guys are very, very smart. They're much smarter than I am. I don't know a lot about the technology, you know, at that level. So yeah, those are the things that we find. Very, very smart, very dedicated to the work that they do, and they take pride, a lot of pride in the quality of the products that they put out.
Okay. Do you think the schools or educational institutions in Bangladesh equipped with adequate technicals and human resources to develop skilled programmers in Bangladesh?
Yeah, another good question. I don't know specifically if the schools have the required, facilities to accomplish that. But if the people that we are seeing in our company are any indication, then I think they're doing a fine job, because we are seeing very talented people coming out of the schools, and so I think they must have what's required to do that.
We are almost at the end of our program, but I want to know what is your future plan of iBall Bangladesh?
iBall Bangladesh is very attached to our customers, and all of our plans tend to revolve around our customers. So if our customers are doing new things and expanding their markets, then that puts a lot of need on our development team here to accommodate that. Likewise, if we acquire a new customer, one customer for us can be a huge thing, which could require many more developers. So we only have the ability to plan so far out because our customer needs change quite a bit. But if the last 5 years have been any indication, then I think we'll be having some big needs for a lot more talent in Dhaka and for developers, because we get a lot of calls from global companies right now interested in our technology.
How do you feel in Bangladesh?
Pretty good. I've really enjoyed it. It's my first time here, and it's very busy. It's crazy out on the streets. The roads are a lot of fun to drive on. The people have been amazing, very warm and very generous.
Cordial.
Yeah, they have been very hospitable to me, and so far my experience has been excellent.
You're almost at the end of our program. We wish your success in your future. I've learned a lot from you. Thank you so much for giving your valuable time in our program.
It's my pleasure. Thank you for having me.
Thank you again.
Okay.
কথা হচ্ছিল আজকের অতিথির সাথে। দর্শক, 21শে দুপুর নিয়ে কোনো মতামত থাকলে আমাদের জানাবেন। জেনে নিন আমাদের সাথে যোগাযোগের ঠিকানা 21শে দুপুর, 21শে টেলিভিশন, 10 কারণ বাজার, ঢাকা 115। এছাড়া ফোন, ফ্যাক্স বা ইমেল করতে পারেন। ফোন 812653 থেকে 8, ফ্যাক্স 8802812170, ইমেল dupur@21e-tv.com। 21শে দুপুরে আজকের আয়োজন এখানেই শেষ। আগামীকাল আবার দেখা হবে 21এর সঙ্গেই থাকুন। শুভ দুপুর।